Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my honey and balsamic glazed pork chops. Now, let's cook. So okay guys, here we have our pork chop. Now I'm just going over that with oil and I'm just adding this so the season can stick to it much better. Now for the season, first I'm going in with black pepper. And you want to season both sides of your pork chops, guys. And then I'm going in with Cajun season. And you want to pat that on your chop. And then I'm going in with paprika. The Maggi season. And guys, when I tell you, this was so flavorful. Just amazing. And I love pork chops. These were so tender and juicy. So guys, in a skillet on medium-high heat, I add 1/8 of a cup of oil. Now I'm gonna sear my pork chops for 3 minutes on each side. That's a total of 6 minutes. Then you're gonna make sure not to overcook your pork chops because since we'll be reheating the pork chops in the sauce later on, yeah? Now we're just looking for a beautiful golden color like this. Just a beautiful sear on each side, guys. Yeah, just amazing. Now I'm going to place these on the side just to render the fat. So now we're going to be removing our pork chops and we're going to be making our glaze, balsamic glaze to be exact. Now to that same skillet, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. And I'm going to allow that to melt, then add my chopped garlic. You just want to saute that for a couple seconds. Now we're going to add our honey. And guys, I will be sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description below. So be sure to check that out, yeah? Now guys, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of balsamic glaze and 1/4 cup of chicken broth. We're just gonna allow that to reduce, and then I already went ahead and I add my chops. Now I'm spooning that sauce over our pork chops, guys, and I'm just gonna top that off with some basil. And you guys can go ahead and serve this with mashed potato, rice, pasta, whatever carb you guys have on hand. You guys can go ahead and have that, or even with salad. Yeah, but guys, this is a final product. Just very simple, very easy to cook. Now we're gonna plate that up, guys, and just look how beautiful that looks, guys. This was super tender, super juicy. Oh my goodness, just so delicious, guys. I recommend this every single day. Every day of the week, no lie. This was amazing. Just an amazing dish, yeah? Very good. I love you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, guys. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. And I love you guys so much for stopping by once more. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.